Welcome back to the channel, man. Today's video, I got a treat for y'all, man. I did a thing a couple days ago, and if y'all want to see the process of what I did, y'all got to go subscribe to that second channel. In this video, y'all ain't getting there but the action, y'all. Demos galore. So I did get the port in, but I ran into a issue. Let me show y'all what the issue is real quick. And if you want to see the process of me getting it to the point where it's at now, like I said, that content will be uploaded very soon on that second channel. So let me show y'all how far I got and what my issue is. That's right, guys. I have the port in this bad boy. Finally, man. Huge shouts out to my partner, Jason, man. Huge shouts out to him. But like I said, if y'all want to see the process of me getting it to actually come inside the cab, y'all got to go check that second channel out, because I will be uploading that content over there. But this is the issue that I was telling you guys about. And don't worry about those wires. Once I get everything finalized and I figure out where I want to pour that, yeah, I got spray foam in it now just to seal it up and all that stuff, just to see if I like it. If I don't like it, I'll unscrew it from the box and I'll pull it back out, spray foam it again or whatever. But I'm just playing around with it for now. But this is my issue. I can't come out inside the cab anymore because of my back seat. So with this being a daily drive, I pick my kids up from school and all that good shit, I need my back seat. So they said they're gonna have to find him another ride to slide in, cause these back seats gonna have to eventually go, and I'm gonna need something else to slide in for when I go and pick my kids up, they can still be comfortable. You dig? But without further ado, appreciate y'all, appreciate all the love, appreciate all the support, man. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button for the kid, cause it don't cost a dime to do that, man. And I got some fire-ass merch on the way, man. Like, I think this might, in my opinion, just my personal opinion, I'm gonna give y'all a snippet right here. This might be some of the finest car audio merch that might be on the internet right now, y'all. I'm not gonna cap. I got something in store for y'all. I told you when I go cold turkey, I'll be working, man. Let me let y'all check this crazy motherfucker out. And yes, it does get windy, but I need to pull that port out just a little more so my load can dig the way I want to really dig. But do it get windy? Check me out, man. It get violent, y'all. Real violent. Check me out. So, as y'all can see, like I said, the port we in there, y'all. And a lot of guys asked me, did I hear a difference from when I went to the show? Because when I went to the show, the port wasn't as far inside the cab as it is now. It need to come out at least this much more so I can maybe possibly get the tuning that I'm looking for. But like I said, my back seats are the issue right now. So for now, it's gonna have to be what it is, unless BassAddict find somewhere to ride in where I can just permanently take these back seats out and it is what it is. You dig? But we ain't gonna be able to do the beauty panel or nothing like that because of that seat mount. So it's gonna have to be like this until I find me somewhere to slide in, y'all. I mean, hey, it is what it is. But there is a noticeable difference, and I would love to put it on the meter just to see if there's a difference. But I'm not gonna do that now. We'll meter it probably tomorrow, and y'all will get that video by this weekend. But today, strictly demos. I want y'all to see and let me know if y'all can tell or feel a difference. Like in the video, you can actually see the dust all in it. Like whatever in them motherfucker is moving now. You can see the, check me out, bro. I'm excited about this, y'all, because it's been a long time coming with the port. Let's get it.
Nobody flipping packs now. I just did 3 in a row. Them shows stacking back to back now. Put the world on the sound. You know party at the weekend. Ain't got no motherfucking time. Party on the weekend. Till the break of the juice. We about to
Well, that's a bad motherfucker right there. I mean, Eminem. I'm trying to start cursing so much, y'all. Got to help me out, man. I'm trying to start swearing, y'all. That's a bad.
I'm a bass addict. Bobbing out, bobbing, knocking pictures off the wall. On the whole 15s, didn't see no wires. And then I heard boom from the amplifiers. I'm a bass addict. What's going on, I'm a bass addict. And then I heard boom from the amplifiers.